the bedtime mistake that is killing your testosterone. You're probably making one simple mistake every single night, and it's silently destroying your testosterone levels. And the worst part, most men don't even know they're doing it. Low energy, stubborn belly fat, poor sleep, low drive. It can all be traced back to this one bedtime habit. In this video, we're going to uncover what that mistake is, how it wrecks your hormones, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Using your phone or a screen right before bed. We live in a digital world. Phones, tablets, TVs, they're all part of our nighttime routine. But here's the issue. Blue light exposure from these devices messes with your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells your body when it's time to wind down and when it's time to produce testosterone. Your body starts naturally releasing melatonin at night to help you sleep, but blue light signals your brain that it's still daytime, suppressing melatonin production. Studies have shown that even 1 week of poor quality sleep can lead to 10% to 15% drops in testosterone levels in men. Not only does this habit reduce the quality and quantity of your sleep, but it throws off your hormonal balance. The prime time for testosterone production is during deep sleep, especially between 10 night and 2 in the morning. So, if you're scrolling TikTok, watching Netflix, or answering emails during that window, you're literally blocking your body's natural testosterone boost. What's worse, blue light also raises cortisol, your stress hormone, which is the natural enemy of testosterone. When cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. Simple as that. So while you might think relaxing with your phone is harmless, it's silently draining your masculinity one night at a time. Even just a 7-day detox from screens before sleep can improve your rest, energy, and mood. It might feel tough at first, but your testosterone levels will thank you big time. So now you know the biggest nighttime testosterone killer isn't bad genetics or aging, it's your screen time. It's time to rewire your bedtime routine, reclaim your deep sleep, and let your body naturally do what it's designed to do. Optimize your testosterone. Small changes lead to big shifts. So tonight, put the phone down early, dim the lights, and let your body heal and rebuild. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment with your current sleep routine, and don't forget to subscribe for more real, science-backed men's health content.